It's creamy. It's sweet. That feels like ice cream to me.
Hi, my name is Amelia and welcome to Rampe It Up, where we take an ingredient you might have in your pantry and show you how you can be leveling it up at home.
Good and good for you.
Welcome to Rampe It Up. I'm Amelia and today we're going to be talking about sweet potatoes. I think people think about sweet potatoes mostly in the season of autumn. I personally like to eat them year-round. They're high in fiber, they cleanse your liver, and my Reiki practitioner told me that I need to be eating more orange foods, and so here we are. I've been eating a lot of sweet potatoes. Hi, Deshawn. Today we're gonna be cooking two sweet potato recipes, hot honey butter with sweet potatoes, and the other is what I like to call a sweet potato sundae. So the first thing I'm gonna do is roast sweet potatoes until they are all the way done. So I cooked these sweet potatoes for about 45 minutes at 425. So what I'm gonna do to get us started is just split these kind of open and just, does not have to be perfect. All right, so we've opened them up. We're ready to make our butter. So I'm going to take about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, drop it in my skillet, and I'm going to turn my heat to medium. Ooh, it's starting to smell real good. So I have just any honey. I mean, the better the honey, I'm sure the better the flavor. I'm not really going to measure. I'm just going to start putting some honey in here. And you're gonna wanna whisk the honey in. We'll pour half this mixture onto the sweet potatoes. And we'll save the rest of this for the end when we drizzle it with a little bit more. All right, so this is going into the oven. All right, we are here. We have a little bit of char. You can see I love those little bites, those caramelized bites. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of more butter. If you're a sweet, salty person, you know who you are. You know who you are if you love sweet, salty. This is the snack for you. Good and good for you. And now that we've had our savory portion of the sweet potato, we're gonna move on to dessert now. No joke, I eat this like once a week. I used to really love ice cream and pastries. Turns out I'm a little lactose intolerant. I'm a little like wheat intolerant. So I turned to the sweet potato, the mighty, mighty sweet potato to fix all of those cravings. It's dessert time. I'll split it open. Usually if I'm at home, these are kind of cold, so I'll pop it in the toaster oven. Also season all your layers. I like to do a little flaky salt kind of directly onto the flesh of the potato. And then I'll add a little olive oil. So next, what I do is tahini. If you like peanut butter, that's up to you, because tahini is creamy. And you can see. Next, maple syrup. You want to use whatever sweetener you want. Agave is a great one. We just drizzle this on. You guys, come on. How is this not good? You know it's good. And then next, we top it off with our sprinkles of granola. So you're bringing in a lot of texture, and that's it. This dessert gets me through a lot. The nuttiness from the tahini is coming through. The little salty bits of the flaky salt is there. It's creamy, it's sweet. That feels like ice cream to me. Thanks so much for joining me for this episode of Rampe It Up. Stay tuned for the next episode with whatever mystery ingredient we're gonna level up next time.